Hello friend, welcome to School of Civil Engineering. I am going to start a new series about climatic design. The person who want to design about climate by using past data, he can predict about future. I mean, what is the climatic condition will be in future, rainfall or temperature condition. What will be the change for this phenomenon? Anyone can predict about that. I will make 3 videos for this season. In first video, I will show how to download and install SDSM software from its original website without any problem. And second video, I will show you about rainfall prediction. I mean, using past data, I will predict about future rainfall condition in climate. I mean, after 20 year or after 40 year, after 50 year, what will be the change? What will the change of environmental rainfall system? And third video, I'll show about maximum and minimum temperature. And for your information, the work procedure about maximum and minimum temperature are totally same. So I will discuss about maximum and minimum temperature predictions in one videos, in one lecture, so that we can easily complete this session. And one thing, as I am doing my BSc thesis, final year thesis, using this software, so for that, for your help, I'm going to start this session. And any mistake or anything, I think should be considerable for you, as you are all good people. So let's start. And if you're new in my channel, please subscribe here and press the bell icon. Before starting, let's see my intro. For downloading SDSM software, you have to press the link given in description, or you can search here directly SDSM DownScaling, 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 and press enter. So you have to find the original website. Follow me here. The second, sdsm.org.uk. This is the main website, sdsm.org.uk, where you can press the link given below and you will come here directly. You will come this page directly, where you can come here through here. Then you have to download the software. So, and one thing, before work, you can study about this website. There have many past publication. I mean, the person who work about climatic condition, you will find here everything. And also user manual are available here. So you have to go here for download software. Click software, and then which version you want to download. There have 3 available version. 4.2, it's very past version, and then they have published 5.2, and newly they have published August 2018 5.3. so which version you want to download, it's up to you. So as I am working with version 5.2, I'm going to download by clicking here. One thing, if you want to download any version, it's not any matter, 5.2 or 5.3. just for downloading 5.3, click here. For downloading 5.2, click here. Just I'm going to show you. For 5.3, click here and it will start download. It is very low amount of apps, and if you want to download 5.2, click here, it will download. And if as I'm going to working with SDSM 4.2, so I'm going to click here. So it's have downloaded, and now I'm going to downloading folder. Here the version 4.2, here another version 5.3, here 5.32, here 5.2, here 5.3. so which version you want to install, just click here and extract this file using any extract software. Extract here, extract. And for every version of SDSM software, just you have to click here setup. I'm going to show you again. Click here setup, double click setup. Yes, it's going to installing. Press OK and then press here, click the button to install. So press here, continue. It's going to install and successfully installed. Okay, it's done. Go. And one thing, after download it and install, they have no any SDSM software in desktop. So for your work purpose, you have to take it in desktop, or you can work from here. So I'm going to take it in desktop. And one thing, you will get it in start menu. Here my SDSM 4.2, and if it's not available here, then you have to search your search box SDSM. It's available here. So take it, move or copy to desktop. So I have copied it in desktop. Press, double press. So this is the SDSM software, statistical downscaling model. And next video I'll show you how to download predictor data. Before work, you have to collect predictor data and the past rainfall and temperature data about what you want to work. So rainfall and temperature data you have to collect it from your nearest environmental or water development board or meteorological department of your country. You will get the environmental data, I mean rainfall or temperature data from there, and I'll give a predictor data which are required for this work. So I will give you in next video. So this is done. I hope you have enjoyed. And for another version, you have to just the same procedure. They have no change to download. You have to just do same procedure. So thank you very much. Stay well and stay connected. Thank you.